example, Yamahas. Yamaha. Yamaha. Suzuki's, no question about it. Suzuki. Hondas. You don't even know what it is. When it goes by, it'll surprise you. Honda. Harley Davidson's. Harley Davidson.